Talaga naman ano,
I
kung
want to answer pala your question kanina kasi you said
mm,
kung happy sila, no? Yes,
mm,
I have clients who's been there for 5, 10, 15, 20
mm,
years. Sometimes they withdraw, sometimes they leave, sometimes they switch the funds. Actually, I do switch the funds. I talk to them if when we review.
mm,
Uh, Tinitignan ko rin kung nasan na sila in terms of their status in life, kung sila ba is single pa rin,
ah, mm,
couple ba sila, yung anak nila malalaki na, pa-retire na
mm,
ba sila.
mm,
We have to find out also the status in life para malaman natin kung ililipat ko ba to sa government bonds, iiwan ko lang ba to sa equity funds, kasi malikot ang equity funds eh. So I review with them once or twice a year.
mm.